Hey guys, welcome back. And so I'm just jumping right in this video to create this all matte look. First, I'm using the BH Cosmetics. It's a matte neutrals eyeshadow palette. I'm going in with a neutral brown color and I'm just applying that along the crease. Then I'm taking a darker brown shade and putting it along the outer edge and a little on the outer crease as well. Then I'm taking a really light vanilla color shade and I'm applying that along the inner corners of my eyelid as well as the middle part of the eyelid and just get that blended out. And here I'm just darkening up the crease with that same neutral color. And here I'm just packing on more of the vanilla color on the middle eyelid as well as the inner part of the lid. And right here, I'm just taking a really deep brown and putting it on the outer edge as well, just to make it pop a little bit more. And once I'm done with that, I will apply liner, just a plain black liner. The one I'm using here is the Benefit Roller Liner, and it's just in black. Okay, so here is the final look. I did apply lashes as well. And I'm using my NYX Bear With Me. It's like a prime and setting spray. I spray that first, and then I will use the NYX Pore Filler Primer. I do really like using this primer. It does give a nice matte look, just a perfect blank canvas for your foundation. And the foundation I'm using is the Laura Mercier Silk Cream Oil Free Photo Edition Foundation.
I put any cream on it?
You can if you want to. And that is just my daughter in the background. Apparently she cut her finger and needed a band-aid. Then I'll get that blended out with my favorite e.l.f. sponge. I feel like I might need to get a new one. But it's the only one I use, and I have about like 8 different other sponges. That's how you know it's good. And for this, any matte foundation will do. I really enjoy using this one, because it's more of a full coverage, all day type of foundation. So it just stays put. And the only thing is, sometimes it does get a little cakey, so I try not to apply too much. I would probably only recommend this like if you're going to an event or a party or wedding where you know pictures will be taken, because it does look really good in pictures. Next, I'm using my concealer, which is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This one, of course, just gives a full coverage matte type of look. Then I'm just taking a matte blush, which is the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush. I typically use this every day now. Then I'm taking a L'Oreal Lumi Bronze It, and this one is just a nice bronzer. I kind of ran out of my Hoola bronzer, but this one, it does the job as well. It's not as pigmented as the Hoola bronzer, but it still gives you color to your face, so I say it's a good B+ bronzer. Next is highlighter, and I'm using my favorite Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. And one of the main reasons why I love it so much is because of the smell. I think once you're used to that and a highlighter or bronzer, you don't want to turn away.
I'm gonna go into the car. Okay,
That's it.
And there's my son. This is the after school time, so of course they come in my room every so often. And I'll go ahead and I'll finish my eyes. I will use just a dark brown to line or kind of smudge at the bottom lash line. Then I will go ahead and apply mascara to the bottom lashes.
Okay, so I'm going to talk during this part. I actually purchased this from Colourpop, and it's a Flock It To Me. Flock It To Me, I guess it's like a lip combo. And the ones, it has Cypress Chill and Swan Song. I'm going to be using Cypress Chill, which is the ultra blotted lip color. And the only thing is, my lips are really dry, so I put on lip balm, and it's like peeling or flaking, but we'll see how it works. So this is it. I do like it a lot, actually. I like that it does look like it is blotted. Very pretty. So that is it. That's all I have for you guys. I wanted to use both in these ColourPop combination or ColourPop duo, but I was trying to like achieve more of a matte look, so I didn't use the gloss yet, but I definitely will. Yeah, I don't think they have these anymore. I'm not sure. I know that they like the collections are always like limited edition, but I did purchase it on Ulta when it was on sale, like during Black Friday, so that's how I got it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some ideas on, how to create just a basic matte look. I know these products do last throughout the day. I'm not sure about the ColourPop product, but I know like the ultra matte liquid lipstick that is lasts all day, so I'm just assuming the ultra blotted lipstick last around the same time. Don't quote me on that, but I will put it in the description box whether it did last or not. But that is all, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.